Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe tools. First, understand that Adobe offers a vast suite of creative applications, each designed for specific tasks. To begin, ensure you have an active Creative Cloud subscription. Then, download and install the necessary software directly from the Adobe website. You'll notice a consistent interface across many tools, making it easier to transition between them and accelerate your learning curve. For visual design, Adobe Photoshop is your go-to for editing raster images, perfect for photo retouching or creating digital paintings with millions of colors. Meanwhile, Adobe Illustrator excels at vector graphics, ideal for crafting logos, icons, and illustrations that scale infinitely without losing quality. Mastering both allows for a powerful combination in any design project, offering unparalleled creative flexibility. When it comes to moving images, Adobe Premiere Pro is essential for professional video editing, allowing you to cut, color, and mix audio for your films. For dynamic visual effects and motion graphics, Adobe After Effects provides powerful animation capabilities. If you're designing for the web, Adobe XD helps you create interactive prototypes and user experiences, streamlining your digital product development process. To keep your projects organized and efficient, utilize Adobe Bridge for managing all your creative assets, from images to videos. Creative Cloud libraries are incredibly useful for synchronizing colors, character styles, and graphics across multiple applications, saving you dozens of hours. Finally, learn the various export options to share your finished work effectively across different platforms and devices, ensuring optimal quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.